Sir, I wanted to ask more about water, like how much one should drink and like which vessel, like it said, copper we should drink in the morning, early morning. And
Okay.
so a little more on water, please.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
So water, about water, we have already discussed before also. Let me just give you a brief about water again. As per Ayurveda, Ayurveda says first thing in the morning should be water. Okay. Ayurveda says don't even open your eyes and have water. It is that important. That means, okay. Why they are saying that? Because in the morning, the accumulation of the saliva, what we get in the body, in here, saliva have alkaline property. Okay. Chariye, what we say, it is alkaline. And in the stomach, in the morning, we get acid. Okay. So when you drink water early in the morning without even brushing, without even having, without even spitting, without having anything, right? Nothing. Just get up and water. Okay. When you have that, this alkaline saliva goes inside and it suppresses that acid, which makes it neutralize. This is the first thing. But people instead what they do, they drink tea. Eyes closed, where's my tea, where's my tea, where's my tea? And they drink tea early in the morning. So stomach is acid and you're creating more acid inside. That's why they create a lot of gas and other type of things slowly, gradually in their life, right? Only water. Okay. How much water? In the morning, even if you're not thirsty, at least 1 liter, 1.5 liter you should. Because it also helps in cleaning the colon. Okay. After you get the pressure. So even if you're not thirsty, 1.5 liter for sure. Until unless you have certain different type of things now. Like somebody saying I should have fenugreek or honey water. That is different thing. Okay. If you are not having any issue, then you can just have plain water also. Room temperature. Lukewarm will be amazing if you will have. Lukewarm, not hot, lukewarm. Lukewarm works the best. Okay. If you can. This is for the water in the morning.